Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Adrian. Today what we have is a super quick unboxing of the UAG Scout AirTag holder, AirTag keychain, AirTag protector. And again guys, none of my videos are scripted, so if I mess up, that's totally because this is just off the cuff. So guys, the first time I got this was from one of my friends, Daryl Blandon. He has a company called Blantech. He buys a lot of cell phone cases, original stuff. Now you guys know Trinidad, we have a ton of knockoffs, but originals usually last years, knockoff lasts months. That's why I always prefer to invest a little bit and have an original device. And guys, another thing too is I have a lot of friends who they would get an iPhone as a gift and they would buy a knockoff case for $60, $70, $80, $100 and they'll put it on that iPhone, on that phone, and within 3-4 months I'll see the screen cracked or the back glass cracked. And the thing is, yes, I know not everybody have that amount of cash to buy original case, but think of it as a long-term investment, especially if you have to resell the phone. So what this is actually a AirTag protector, a AirTag holder. So I have one on my keys. This is my regular set of keys, and as you guys can see, it does a horrible job at protecting the front of the AirTag itself, which is stainless steel. Now, first of all, you guys probably want to know what is an AirTag. The AirTag, in my opinion, is one of the best devices that Apple came up with in the last 5 or 6 years. So what an AirTag is basically a little tracker, right? So what it does is that this connects to the iPhone via Bluetooth, low power Bluetooth, and it sends a signal to the iPhone. So let's say I have this on my keys, and guys, you guys have no idea how much mornings I would actually be rushing and I can't find my keys, and it's because y'all know I'm poor Harris. So I'll just throw my keys somewhere. Guys, look, day before I said I forgot my keys on the trunk of my car, and the AirTag, I was able to track it using the Find Me app on my phone. Now, what makes AirTags scarily good, in fact that some states in the United States actually banned it, was that these could track way further than the actual Bluetooth distance. So Bluetooth itself would be 30 meters away from the phone. You could track it, but AirTags connect wirelessly to other people's iPhones without they knowing, and it would actually send the location back. A good example is my mom's car. I have GPS on my car, 2 different GPS on my car, so in case it gets stolen, I could just call the company, they'll track it, they'll find the car, they'll do everything for me. My mom's car doesn't have GPS as yet, and because of that, I put one of these in her car. Now, my mom, her iPhone, she doesn't have data, she doesn't have anything like that. But if she goes to Massey, somebody walks past her car, it will connect to their phone and it will actually send the location. So you know where the car is at any point in time. So these things are ridiculously cool. These things are ridiculously handy. When I went to the States, when I went to Vegas, I tracked all of my bags, everything on this. If somebody steals your bag, you could track them down easily with it, right? So the biggest thing about this, I should have brought the Samsung tags. I have a lot of Samsung tags as well. With the Samsung tags, Samsung included a hole where you can actually just put a keyring through it, so you don't need any accessories. Apple, being Apple, was no bro, you have to buy our accessories because it is us. And they have ridiculously expensive leather holders, they have ridiculously expensive cases for this. Apple's, their AirTag holders are amazing, but that is above my budget. I try to use Apple to help improve my daily life, but I don't have Apple accessory money. That's not me. So UAG, they formulated one of the best holders. Now, from Daryl, I also bought this one. This is the Spigen keychain for the AirTag. So all you do is you just put the AirTag in, and okay, this is probably impossible to do on camera, but you guys know where I'm going here. You put the AirTag in there. Oh yeah, good, and it locks into place. This is even worse. You have no protection on your back. You have no protection on your front. What are the pros of this Spigen ring? Now, the pro of the Spigen ring is, one, this looks mad. If you are from the 90s like me and you want to hook this on your belt loop as a style, you could use it as a gunmetal color. You actually have a can opener, which I've used many times. You have ballistic ripstop nylon. You could actually buckle this. You could wear this as a chain. If you have a small child, you can actually give them this, and if they get lost, you could find them. This is awesome, but I personally, my keys get fling all over the places, get thrown all over. If I have this, front and back will scratch. So speaking, I have these, but these are not my jam. I'll use this in an emergency. I use this in a state. I have a lot. So guys, this is just a review of this alone. But this, in my opinion, is the best thing since sliced bread. So let's do a little bit of unboxing here. Cut it open. What do we get? All we get really is, so UAG, they've gone from really awesome, best thing since sliced bread packaging to environmentally friendly packaging. And as somebody who loves I love geography when I was in A levels. I love the environment, but the packaging is really lackluster. It's made of recyclable materials. Some people would love this. For me, if you pay so much for these things, I think I paid like 15 US for one of these. I want a good presentation at least. So UAG Scout for AIRTAG. So designed in California, soft touch silicone. Yes, that is one of the key things that I love about this. Now, just guys, by the way, this is perhaps the worst carabiner. This is like when you go to Chinese groceries and they have those like lights for like $10 TT and you get the carabiner with it. This is that. It's supposed to be aluminum as well as, I guess, aluminum. But this carabiner is terrible. That is why I don't use it. I just have the ring attached to my keys directly. This carabiner is okay. I don't think it will break easily. I think it is good. It has a really distinct design by UAG, but I wouldn't use this. But that's not the main thing we're here for. What we're here for is the actual tag holder itself. Oh, guys, I just taught for like 8 hours straight, so my voice is completely gone. This is what we're talking about. So you have UAG branding here, right? You have a super strong stainless steel ring here. And you guys need to feel like the texture of this thing is amazing. This is like a kind of gel material, like one of those soft touch TPU cases. This is gel. And because this is gel, when you put the AIRTAG, 1, it has a really snug fit. 2, it is not waterproof, but it adds a level of water resistance. And 3, they have shock bumpers here. So my keys go flying all the time. This AIRTAGs have been dropped, AIRTAGs have been flung all over. Now, I know that with this one, if it falls on the side, you're protected. And if it falls on a flat surface, it is protected. But guys, if this falls on a rock, that's it, the end. With this one, the plastic back is seriously protected. This could fall on a rock, it could fall in a bush, it could fall on gravel, you're good to go. The metal is stronger, so even though it has scratches, I'm more into it for functionality than actual like looks. I do care about aesthetics. When something works as how it's supposed to be, that's what I rate. So you have that silicone, soft touch silicone. You have the detachable carabiner, which is this yucky thing, which I don't use ever. Give it away to your little cousins or something. And it is impact resistant. This is mil spec impact resistant. So you could take this and fling it. You could yeet it into gravel and nothing will happen. Guys, I've been using this one ever since the first week that AIRTAGs come out. So you guys can actually see it is worn. It is looking shiny at the edges. The sides are actually a little bit worn down. Let's compare. So this is 2 years old, probably more than 2 years old. This is when Daryl came and dropped this in the gym, so that's probably like a long time ago. So this is heavily worn. This is brand new, unboxed in front of you guys. So guys, AIRTAGs are an amazing investment if you want a low cost, cheap tracker. Plus I think I could track it from my watch. Oh guys, I still can't get over the fact that tactical mode, normal mode, tactical mode, normal mode, tactical mode, normal mode. Click tracking mode, where you actually have the compass that will guide you to your waypoint. So tactical mode, normal mode. But and guys, I didn't charge this in about 2 days. We're still on 80%. This is the one I use every single day. But this is just the tactical mode, normal mode. I am easily impressed. Now, Guys, like I said, I always try to do fair reviews. So this is the best thing ever. UAG cases are amazing. I have the cases. The UAG strapper. This is horrible. This is the worst product ever. I paid $70 for this, and it is almost impossible to take on and take off. Like this, don't. It looks cool. It's very impractical. I hate to do work. The reason why I spend money is to make things easier in my life. I do not spend things that make my life more make life miserable. Do not buy this. I'll come up with a separate review of this. It is well constructed. It looks amazing, but bro, no. This cheaper one, I have this for 3+ years. I've been using it since the Series 4, Series 6, Series 7, Series 8, and now the Ultra. Same band. Buy this one, buy this and then never buy another band ever. 50 US as opposed to 79 US. Oh, this is the worst. I wish I could just get a refund, but I live in Trinidad. We don't have the ability to send things back to the States. Anyhow, guys, hope that helped you guys. Remember, I bought this on Amazon. Don't go and buy some imitation stuff in Trinidad if you want the good quality stuff, if you want it to be basically indestructible, if you want to have a good looking AirTag accessory, buy it from Amazon. Do we have anything else in here? No, like I said, they went to environmentally friendly packaging. So UAG Scout, you can buy it on the UAG site for cheaper. They always have discounts there. Or you can buy it on Amazon, easy peasy. Anyway, guys, take care. Hope that helps you guys in. Peace.